In fast-paced industries, virtual reality and simulations offer immersive, hands-on training to improve employee skills and reduce errors without real-world risks. Virtual reality, VR, immerses employees in simulated environments using visuals and sounds, allowing them to interact and practice tasks as if they were in the real world. Simulations, whether 2D or fully immersive, replicate real-world scenarios for job training and problem-solving. With repeated practice and integration of Poka-yoke and standardized work, VR and simulations offers a powerful solution to minimize errors and enhance performance. How VR and simulations help employees avoid mistakes. By realistic, hands-on experience, VR allows employees to practice tasks in a risk-free environment, and it is more effective with engagement and retention of knowledge. Instant feedback in VR helps employees quickly fix mistakes and improve performance. Also helps with simulating high-risk scenarios without real-world consequences. VR cuts costs by reducing the need for physical resources. And lastly, it also enables cross-training in multiple roles without relocation. VR setup can be expensive, but cost-effective in the long run. Employees may struggle with VR initially, but it's adaptable over time and training. Integrating VR with existing systems can be complex. Select compatible platforms for smoother transitions. Visit i4verse.com today and learn more about it.